Hi all, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Let's start rebooting work using UiPath. In today's session, we will discuss about assign task activity. So let us check how the assign task activity is being used in the action center. So basically, this assign task activity will be used to assign a particular person who is going to work on the particular task. So we can assign like how we are actually splitting to each and everyone so your work. So likewise, the assign task activity will help you to split up the work to each individuals. So let us quickly check how it has been used. Let me go to the UiPath. So let me check for the activity which is task. So here you can see which is called as assign task. So this assign task activity will help you to assign the task to the particular individuals. So as I mentioned, so you can assign to each individual. So you'll be having a question now. So to which individuals I can assign? So if you have those users which is in tenant, for those users you can assign this task actually. So let me quickly go to the UiPath Studio. So in Orchestrator, you'll be having a tenant, right? So under the tenant, so how many users you have? So what are the users individual you have in your tenant? For those users, you can directly go here and you can use their mail ID and you can add them to this particular tasks. So Orchestrator got loaded here. So let's go to the tenant. So under tenant, so just go to the manage access. So in manage access, you'll be having a couple of users who are going to access this particular orchestrator. So as of now, so I was only the one so who's accessing this orchestrator. So what I will do, I will just try to add this particular task which is created to my name. So if you have many users, you can copy their mail ID and you can add them actually. So let me go to the UiPath Studio. So what you can do now, so let me drag and drop this assign task activity. So this assign task activity will help you to assign the task to the each individuals actually. So what you can do now, so you can make a control K and you have to create a variable. So which is task user assignment. Yeah, perfect. Just enter it. Perfect. So and one more thing, so you have to create which is failed task assignment as well. So just make a control K. So our convenient, I was just using the name, same name conventions. So let me go to the variable panel and check the variables. So yeah, here you can see, right? So this is list of task user assignment and the failed one is called as list task response, right? So what is the main functionality of list? So you can add n number of users, right? So that is the concept of list, correct? So if you didn't watch our collection videos, you can go ahead and watch our collection videos, so that will be helpful here actually. So what you have to do now, so you have to initialize actually. So let me go here, new list of, okay, perfect, of. So what is the type here? So task user assignment, right? Perfect. You can call this, yeah. So not a you can check here. Not I was not calling the variable. I was just calling the function actually. Okay. So new of list and then of. Let's move the cursor here. I was not able to look over there. Okay. So here, so what do I have to call? Task assign response. Yeah, perfect, right? You can see here, right? Just double click on that. Perfect. So you are going to add the names, right? So you have created the assign task activity. So you have just configured this. So you have to mention the name as well, right? To whom actually you are going to add here. So as I mentioned earlier, the person who are there under the tenant, under the manage access, you can add this task to the particular person. So to the each individual. So if I am having like around 10 members, I can add this task to each 10 members actually. So as of now, so I have only one, so which is mine. So I'll just try to add mine only. Just try to copy this. So before that, what I can do, just click on edit so that I can copy the entire thing. Okay, perfect. Let me go back to here. So what I have to add here? Add to collection. So why add to collection? So add to collections will help you to add the mail ID which I want to go into assign actually. So just add to collections. So here what do you have to do? So which is task user assignment. Perfect. Just try to call the particular variable here. Okay, perfect. You have to change the type argument. So the type argument is object, right? So you have to change according to the assign task. So what I have to do here, just click here, just browse for the particular type. So this is list, correct? List. Just try to enter the list. Okay. So you can see so many types. So under this, let me look for generic one. Generic. Yeah, it is there, right? Perfect. Just click on there. From that, so what are you going to do? Task, right? So which is task user assignment. Just click on browse for types. Yeah, task user assignment. Yeah, we got that. So just try to click over there. Click on OK. OK. Perfect, right? So this is the respective data type for this one. Perfect. Just try to save this one. And under the item, so you have to fill the mail ID which you are going to assign now. So what you have to do, new dot, okay, new task assignment. Yeah, inside this, just open a bracket. Okay, to which task you are going to assign this particular task which is created, right? So make it as task object. Yeah, perfect. Dot id which indicate the id, so this particular task id, so each and every time a task id will be created, right? Once the task has been created, we will be getting a task id, right? So to that particular task id we are going to assign to our name. So task id comma to which particular user, double quotes, just try to provide the mail id. Okay, so if I have so many mail ids, I can just provide the mail ids over here. Okay, so as of now I have only one user, so which is mine. So I just given my mail id, just click on OK. Perfect. So till now what you have done, so you are just like you have made a assign task activity, and then you have declared new dot list, as well as you have passed the variable. Also you have added a add to collection, changed the type argument. So we have given our mail ID to whom we have to assign. Just click on save and just try to run now. So what actually it will do? So instead of assigning to a unassigned state, it will directly assign to us. Let us go to Action Center and check further. Let us wait in unassigned. Let's wait for the task to create it first. So as of now, you have seen that there is no unassigned task, right? So let's wait here to the task get created. There is no pending task yet. Okay. So let's try to give the value now. 7,000. Just click on OK. So you can see here, right? There is no pending task yet. The task has been created. This is the task ID. So let me go there. Let me refresh now. So perfect, right? So instead of unassigned state, it has directly moved to the pending state, and which means it is assigned to me now, right? So you can directly go there and can fill the values, approve. Even this will save you a lot of your effort, because you no need to go there and you no need to assign it to each and everyone. So like as you've seen already, so it will be moved to the unassigned state. We have to assign to each and every individual. So this particular step will be skipped if you are going to use your task assign activity. You can directly use your assign task activity and directly assign to the respective person who needed actually here. So just click on resume so that this particular task will be ended. So I hope you are very clear, right? So how to use this assign task activity. Using this, you can directly assign to each and every individuals. No need to go to the unassigned state and try to assign it to each and every individuals. It will be directly assigned to the individuals who are there in the tenant actually. So yeah, so the particular user should be in the tenant so that you can add to those users actually. So I hope you got so many insight actually in this how to work with the assign task activity. Thanks for watching. Happy learning. Have a good day.